start the main topic today, let me ask you one quick question. What are your bottlenecks to realize innovation? Everyone understands the importance of the innovation. Everyone says innovation is key to survive, and maybe it would be much more important in this worldwide situation caused by COVID-19. However, most of the people also said it's challenging. Why? There should be bottleneck to realize that. So what are the bottlenecks? Most likely, the bottlenecks are non-innovative works, which is locking down your resources today. Thinking about your engineering process, for instance, design to CAE process, how many hours do you spend on non-innovative work? Please identify your time waster. In CAE process, you do not create the CAD data, but you need to work by using that data in CAE. And at that time, it might be too late because you need high effort to repair, or there might be high risk to repair because it might affect manufacturing quality. Or there might be back and forth transaction between you and CAD designers because you have to ask the designers to fix the problem. Or you might need to manually add some information, or manual translation, or manual fix the data, and so on. And again, it is caused by the data quality problem. These are another inefficient way. So today, typical request or question we often get from our customers is there a way or tool to automate the process or improve the process? So what can we offer? Basic idea here is to create seamless digital end-to-end process. Typically, 3D CAD data is created in native CAD system by CAD designers, and at the end of the process, somebody consumes the data. It might be viewing the data or show to the partners or suppliers, or they might use the data in manufacturing in CAD or CAM, or the data is used for the simulation in CAE area, or you might need to save the digital assets, or use the data at shop floor, for instance, digital representation of whole factories in virtual reality and walk through the factory and so on. So there are so many use cases in downstream consumption. But how you can ensure that data created